Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's check Asus ROG Phone 6 series specifications and price in Nepal. Display 6.78-inch AMOLED, 165Hz refresh rate, 720Hz touch sampling rate. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 for NF. RAM up to 16GB LPDDR5 RAM, 18GB LPDDR5 RAM Pro. Storage up to 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. OS Android 12. Rear camera 50MP Sony IMX766, 13MP ultra wide angle lens, 2MP macro lens. Front camera 12MP Sony IMX663. Audio front facing stereo speaker, direct HD, 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity 5 grams, Wi-Fi 6E, 2.2 Bluetooth 5.2, NFC dual Type-C port. Battery 6000 mAh with 65W wire charging. Expected price Asus ROG Phone 6 series in Nepal. ROG Phone 6 12 to 56GB NPR 122,499. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.